So time to rethink Miami Gardens. In today's video, we're gonna check out my newest listing in the Walden Place community of Miami Gardens. And I promise you, you're gonna wanna stick around until the end of the video so I can show you why so many families are moving here. As always, if you get any value from this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know that might be looking for a home in South Florida. My name is Michael Valencia with Lamacchia Realty. This is Living in South Florida. Let's go check it out. Built in 2021 by D.R. Horton, the Hyde Model has 1,625 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms. Tile all throughout the downstairs and an open concept that is always great for that much needed family time. The kitchen has an upgraded appliance package, a big island to prepare and serve all your culinary creations, and big windows off the kitchen to let all the natural light you need to be inspired. And because we're backed up to a natural preserve, you can enjoy that peace and tranquility of the trees behind you without the fear of anything being built behind your home. Comfortable carpeted stairs lead you to the 4 bedrooms upstairs, beginning with the spacious primary bedroom. Walk in and notice a big window overlooking the natural preserve, 2 walk-in closets, and a dual sink primary suite with a stand-up shower. The other 3 bedrooms are standard sizes, 10 by 11 each, with their own closet. And all 3 rooms share a nicely done and spacious second bathroom, completed with a fenced-in yard for privacy, a 2-car driveway, and a 1-car garage with overhead storage. The Walden Place community has an affordable HOA of $133 a month. It includes a new pool that's just steps away from the house and was opened June of 2023. A clubhouse that can be rented for parties and events, kids playground, and a nice walking trail. This house is conveniently located 9 minutes to Hard Rock Stadium, 16 minutes to the Hard Rock Casino, 20 minutes to Aventura Mall or the new Bright Light Station, 20 minutes away from Hallandale Beach, and with easy access to both the Turnpike and I-95, you're almost dead center between Fort Lauderdale and Miami International Airports. You might be asking yourself, why are so many families moving to Miami Gardens? Here's why. In the last 5 years, D.R. Horton started building Walden Place. Lennar built the Via Venture community, followed by Viewpoint. Tesla opened their 3rd location here in South Florida, right here in Miami Gardens. Formula One also signed a 10-year contract with the Hard Rock Stadium, making the Miami metro area the first city in the world to be able to host every major sporting event like the Men's World Cup in 2026. The rapper Florida has also invested in commercial real estate right here in South Florida. Finally, for the latest development, as reported by the Miami Herald, Immacorp Capital, a South Florida real estate equity fund and development firm, has announced that construction is expected to begin this year in the Miami Gardens City Center. Within walking distance of the Hard Rock Stadium, the project is planned to include 720 multifamily units with a 2-story clubhouse, 2 flag hotels, retail, restaurants, entertainment, and a Formula One museum. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to move to South Florida, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of the information is in the description below so we can help you make a smooth move to South Florida.